just come out for a walk after dinner and
took this photo at one of the most beautiful places on earth. After a quick transfer in Oslo, I took a short flight to Lofoten, a remote archipelago in the northern part of Norway, sitting just inside the Arctic Circle. After 2.5-hour bus ride from the closest airport, I arrived at Svolvaer. This is the biggest town in Lofoten, and lucky enough, I had a beautiful afternoon here, just wandering around, breathing my first taste of the Arctic air.
So behind the church, that's this
The sunset was around 4 o'clock, so I ended my first day pretty early.
Nice pizza. Let's go to Paris pizza. Well, look at this pizza. So hot.
The next morning, I woke up early to catch the bus to Henningsvaer, a small fishing village that has stunning views and the most beautiful football pitch in the world. It had been snowing all night and everything was in white. The bus ride itself was unreal. Every view outside the windows was just so beautiful, and I felt so unreal to be traveling between these amazing landscapes. That's a short walk from the bus stop to the football field. The weather in Lofoten is changing so fast. It can be snowing right now and completely changed in 5 minutes.
So this is the bridge. It's somewhere walking.
And this bridge is heading to the island of the football field. And all of a sudden, the sky was just cleared up. Everything that were hiding behind the clouds just showed up. And this view was so peaceful.
This is so beautiful, and the cloud just clear out. You see the mountain there? How peaceful.
After crossing the bridge, I finally arrived at the famous football pitch. And I think it would be an unforgettable experience to play football here with this field just next to the sea.
snowing again. It's snowing heavily again. It's so dreamy.
After seeing the football field, I head back to Svolvaer, and just before the heavy snow came in,
Via 743 nord.
They're gone. It's heavy snow right now. It takes 20 minutes to arrive back to Norway.
the next day I took another bus to Hamnoy to photograph more winter scenery and hopefully to see the Northern Lights. Hamnoy is a small fishing village in the southern part and probably the most photographed place in Lofoten. The landscape in this part of Lofoten is so dreamy. Red cabins next to the sea, sharp mountain peaks, and everything covered in snow. This is just the perfect winter setting. This is the most photographed view in Lofoten. Today is very cloudy, so I guess I'll have to miss the chance to see the Northern Lights here. The snow stopped later at night when I was having a walk outside and I found a mysterious green light that quietly came behind the mountains.
Northern Lights.
This is the only moment I could see the Northern Lights in my Lofoten trip. This morning, I walked to Reine, a beautiful fishing village surrounded by mountains and red fishermen cabins. People say it's the most beautiful village in Lofoten. Walking along the shore to Reine was a beautiful experience. I stopped by a lot of points taking photos, and each corner looks so different.
Look at we arrived.
It's very quiet during this time, and I spent the rest of the day photographing in rain.
It's full of snow.
And when I was just about to head back to Hamnoy, the weather changed again, and the snow started falling heavily. On my way back, I passed by Sakrisoy, a small island between Hamnoy and Reine that filled with yellow cabins.
You can't see the mountain anymore.
Look at this view. Even though it was snowing, and the snowfall covered most of the views, I was lucky to get some of my favorite shots. It was a short trip to Lofoten,
But come on.
a place I've always wanted to come to photograph the winter scenery and chase the northern lights. I had enjoyed so much the spectacular views of snowy mountains and the beauty of winter quietness in this trip.
Today